Hi, how you doing? My name's Tom. I work for a company called Search Creative. I would like to show you a couple of websites we've designed, but more importantly, how we've got them page one of Google to generate more phone calls, more emails, more in leads on a day-to-day basis, and how I can do the same for you. Okay, so if you were to type in, for example, Roofer West London, you're not typing in the company name, but if you're actively looking for a roofer in that part of the country, you'll see the sponsored ads at top of the page. So you have to pay per call, pay per click for the sponsored ads. Then you've got the map pack. Now we've got London City Roofing, top of Google Maps in West London. They are also top organically above Checkatrade. We've designed the website. As you can see, it's clean, crisp, professional. You've got various information on here, loads of photos. Down the bottom of the website, you will see it is designed by Search Creative, so you do know it is one of ours. Okay, just going back to the Google search, they don't just appear in West London. You type in the borough of Fulham, roof of Fulham. Again, you'll see London City Roofing, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, getting phone calls from new customers actively looking for a roofer in that area, not paying per click. Now, we don't just deal with roofers. If, for example, you were looking for a tarmac driveway in Bournemouth, press search. Again, you've got the sponsored ads at the top, sponsored here, but then you have organically top total driveways and total driveways at top of Google Maps. Again, we've designed this website. If you click on it, you see it's clean, crisp, professional, got the Checkatrade integrated, various different pages telling customers all about their services. If you scroll right to the very bottom of the website, again, you will see designed and marketed by Search Creative. If you click on here, it goes through to our website, so you know it's one of ours. What I'd like to do is invite you to get in touch with me so I can give you a free website report, show how we can help grow your business, no contract, on a month-to-month basis. Work with loads of industries all over the UK, got loads of other examples we can show you. You can tailor the price to help you identify that key target market and, more importantly, get you in front of new clients who haven't heard of your company. So get in touch today. My name's Tom. I'll be keen to have a chat with you, try and help you. Thank you. Cheers for now.